Hey viewers, today I will show you how you can move your Joomla 1.5, Joomla 1.5 users to Joomla 3 from database to database. You see I have already opened two databases here. One is Joomla 1.5 and one is Joomla 3x, I mean 3 Joomla 3 database. So if you check the database properties, you will see there are some tables, extra tables here: 𝐬𝐨𝐦𝐬𝐧 user group, 𝐬𝐨𝐦 user, 𝐬𝐨𝐦 user key, 𝐬𝐭𝐢𝐴 user node, 𝐬𝐭𝐢𝐴 user profile, 𝐬𝐭𝐢𝐴 user group map, etc. So here you see 1 2 3 4 5 6 in Joomla 3, 6 fields for users. But if you check Joomla 1.5, there are only 2 fields: 𝐬𝐨 user, 𝐬𝐨 user types. So it is before tell that 𝐬𝐨 users and 𝐬𝐨 user types. So people will using this thing, 𝐬𝐨 users and 𝐬𝐨 user types. Now let's check how can we move. First click on 𝐬𝐨 user types. If you check 𝐬𝐨 user types, actually the table which is actually here is 𝐬𝐨 user groups, this one, and this is the ID for user groups, which one is super users is 8, public is 1. So if you want to move, first you have what you have to do. First you have to compare, first you have to work with this ID. So first you have to user group map, I mean user ID. This one is user ID, this one is user ID from Joomla 1.5, this one is user ID, and this is the group ID, and group is user type, this one is user type. So how can you do that? So here is a trick from me. So you can go first here SQL, and I already have many things, so I will remove them for you better understand. First delete them. Okay, nice, those are deleted. So first ID, you need ID and you need user types. So here you see I already take them. Now I can select ID and user type from which table? 𝐬𝐨 users. Okay, nice. So this is the option. Now you just run you click go button, and it will show users and users with user type. So now export it. Very simple. And what you export? Only data. Go for it. Okay. So it is exported 𝐬𝐨 users from your 𝐬𝐨 1.5 table. Just click on it and edit with Notepad. So if you edit with it, just first remove these things, you don't need them. Come below, delete these things, you don't need them. Yes. So remember, you have to understand something. Super administrator is now called as super users in Joomla 3. Joomla 3, if you go user groups, here super administrator is super users now, and his user ID is 8. So you copy it, I mean 8, and just replace it with all this field, replace all. So this is, you see, all A is happening. Okay. So now you see registered. We will see what is the registered code number. It's just 2. Okay, nice, 2. So just copy registers, replace it 2, replace all. Okay, nice. So we just move one thing, any other administrator or anything. Okay, nice. They have no chance. So now our question is, what is the blank field? Here you see is the null field. So null field will be, those are registered field. So I just put them to replace all 2. So they all are registered now. So my task mostly done. Now I have to remember, I have to insert into Joomla 3 table. So Joomla, I have to insert it Joomla 3 table. So if we check and now where you have to enter it, we have to enter it this table 𝐻𝐸𝐧 group map, this one. So here is user ID and group ID. So we have do another trick. Just copy user ID. So ID will be replaced with user ID. Always remember same extension we are entering on 𝐻𝐸𝐧 group. Okay, nice, that's fine. Then we will change it later and I will show you how. First change it this, replace all 3D occurrences, and user type. User type will be group ID. This will be group ID. Group ID, replace all. Nice. Now I will change this one, 𝐻𝐸_users. 𝐻𝐸_users will be changed to it 𝐻𝐸_user group map. You already see I already do the same thing here, but I will remove them and I will show you. Replace all. So my things are ready. 𝐻𝐸_users_SQL is ready. So you see my things are ready. So I will remove this to show you. Delete and go. I will delete everything, so why I write this, just click on delete and go. Okay, now I will import this from here. I go downloads and 𝐻𝐸_users, here I import this. Yes, this is imported. If you check this, we will see this is nicely imported 427, and you can check this how many users have. To check this is actually is right or not. If you check 427, so my things are right, no problem with it. So next part, now we will go with 𝐻𝐸_users. Now we will go with 𝐻𝐸_users. So SQL and first delete it. We will delete it to show you. Delete it. And one more thing we have to do, just we will delete it, we don't need it anymore. So just go with it. Now if you check this, you will see nothing is there, 0, everything is removed. So first we have to careful about this. We will go to structure, what is there. So if you go SQL, that will be fine for you. First you will take ID. So take ID. Sorry, remove all others. Then you can do one thing, ID, name, username, email, password. You don't need any user type because it is not block. If there is block, yes, there is block. Send mail. If there is any guide, register date, last visit. Register date, last visit is activation. Now another thing is activation. So nice. So these are the things I need from this table. Now I will select this one from where? From 𝐻, where I will take this 𝐻𝐸_users. So I will check go and see here all things are. Now I will do export. Remember, not this one, the right one. Export and then go to custom and then go to on the data and just go for it. Okay, nice. My data is exported. Now I will import it here. So I just click my Joomla 3x table. Now click import and just import it here. Okay, nicely it is working. My task is done. Now I can check it exactly does the right thing or not. 4 to 7. Yes, it does the right thing. So actually, because I done everything is working well, now let's time to check it. If you check, I am on administrator panel, and here is my database, and I will check with this username, 𝐬𝐨𝐦𝐬𝐽. Go with it, and I will change it to admin password for testing purpose, but never you use this, but and make it MD5 for your main website. Then hacker will just play with you. 𝐬𝐨𝐦𝐬𝐽 and admin. Just try to log in. Yes, it's logged in. So let's see if all our users come there. Yes, we see all of our users is there. Let's check one another user, like we will check Nui. Search tools, search, or click it here, Nui. Yes, we get it here. Check if Nui is editable or not. Yes, Nui is editable, and everything is done. So this is perfectly done, and we have successfully transferred Joomla 1.5 users to Joomla 3 without any problem or anything issue. I hope you love this tutorial. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.